everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal. If you're new, hi, welcome. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I love how it came out. I was playing around with some new makeup and this is what I came up with. I had no idea what I was doing. I am low-key like obsessed with it, and yeah, it's another like pinkish look, but it's more on like the mauve side, which I like it. I'm looking in the mirror because it looks so dope. I was so excited to see that Profusion had some more goodies that weren't broken in the store that I was able to pick up. So this is the palette that I use right here. This is their Nude Bliss palette. It kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty palette. I don't own that one, but I was like, wow, this kind of looks like a dupe for it a little bit. And I'm obsessed. You guys know that I was loving the Gold Rush palette by Profusion, and that video did so amazing. If you're interested in that video, I'll leave it down below so you can check that out. This is another version of that palette. Similar formula as far as like the mattes, shimmers, and some of these pressed pigments, which I have on my eyes right now. I'm obsessed with how it came out. I also picked up their palette, their blush palette, amazing. And then I picked up two other things that I really didn't use. I picked up this palette right here. This is their Spectrum palette, and it's more of a colorful palette, and I used two shades from this palette right here. And then the last palette that I picked up that I didn't use in this video but I used in another one is their neutral palettes, which is this one right here. This is their neutral palette, which is so pretty as well. This one is more just like mattes and kind of like shimmery color. Before we get into this video, please make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't already so you don't miss out any of my videos, and hit that notification down below so you are notified of when I post on Wednesdays and Fridays. Also, thumbs up this video if you enjoy. Let me know what other videos that you guys would like to see down in the description box below. And I have nothing else to say, but I'm just gonna play this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
we